Hello all my dear students. Today we are going to learn an exclusive poem that name is Teamwork. Yes, it is one of just the best quality which is related to work with the others. Yes, they have asked us first question that do you like to work and play with the others? Do you like to work and play with the others? Yes, we all love to play with each other and we all love to work with others also. Yes, it is my dear students. In this poem, they have explained us what is mean by teamwork and why teamwork is so much interesting and so much important for all of us. Then this is the poem that we all are going to learn. Yes, it is teamwork. Let's see Let's see this poem, sing and dance. They have told us just sing this poem and dance also. Why? Because it is a teamwork poem. We have to enjoy this poem with our team. But because of corona, we cannot meet each other. But still, we all are with each other with our minds. Yes, it is my dear students. I am also missing all of you. Just see the poem, teamwork. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Yes, teamwork म्हणजे सोबत मिळून काम करणं. आणि सोबत मिळून काम करून आपण आपलं ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट म्हणजे आपलं ड्रीम वर्क पूर्ण करू शकतो. बघा, वी ऑल कॅन डू वर्क इन टीम अँड देन वी विल फाइंड आवर ड्रीम अँड देन वी will make done our dream project. Yes, it is my dear students. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. We all have one dream that we have to complete it, but in a single way we cannot complete that dream. We have to do the teamwork. Yes, it is my dear students. Just like all of us, teamwork is a quality which we are using daily basis. Yes, we all play by groups and groups. That is also a teamwork. We all know how to learn, how to enjoy the school. We enjoy school also with a team. Yes, that is a teamwork. Teamwork. Together we can do our dream work. Then we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork everywhere. Teamwork, together we can do our dream work. They have told us together we can do all of our dream works and then we will share the joy of what we have done. आणि मग आपण आनंद वाटूयात. कशाचा आनंद वाटूयात? तर आपण एकत्रितपणे केलेल्या कामाचा आनंद आपण वाटू शकतो. टीमवर्क एव्हरीवन. प्रत्येक जणांनी टीमवर्क केलंच पाहिजे. बघा, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. बघा, आपल्या सगळ्यांना बास्केटबॉल माहिती आहे. आपल्या स्कूलमध्ये सगळ्यात जास्त बास्केटबॉल खेळला जातो. तर बघा, बास्केटबॉल आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. इट्स फन टू शूट अ बास्केटबॉल थ्रू द hoop. बघा, आपल्याला खूप आनंद होतो बास्केटबॉल शूट करताना. बास्केटबॉल मारायला सगळ्यांनाच आवडतो की नाही? येस, इट इज. बट बास्केटबॉलला त्या जाळीत टाकण्यासाठी, त्या गोलमध्ये टाकण्यासाठी कोणीतरी आपल्याकडे बास्केटबॉल पास करायला हवा की नाही? त्यांनी तेच सांगितलंय. तो शूट पण करू शकत नाही आपण. का तर कोणीच पास नाही केला तर तो शूटही नाही करता येणार. सो it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots, and the relay race just can't go on if nobody want to pass the baton. बघा, बॅटन एखादी दांडी असू शकते किंवा एखादी कुठलीही वस्तू असू शकते. वी ऑल नोज दॅट रिले रेस. येस, रिले रेसमध्ये एकाकडून दुसऱ्याकडे बॅटल पास करायची असते आणि ही रेस टीमनी पूर्ण करायची असते. म्हणजे ए कडून बी कडे, बी कडून सी कडे, सी कडून डी कडे आणि मग डी लास्टला पोहोचवणार. हे टीमवर्क झालं. कुणी एकाने पोहोचवायचे का? नाही. देन ही बॅटल आपल्याला घेऊन पळायला खूप आवडतं, पण ही बॅटल पासच नाही कुणी केली तर कसं वाटेल ना? सो they have told us to fun विथ अ ग्रुप. बघा, जेव्हा आपण ग्रुपमध्ये काम करतो त्यावेळी आपल्याला खूप आनंद येतो. जस्ट लाईक बास्केटबॉल असेल, रिले रेस असेल, वेगवेगळ्या कॉम्पिटिशन्स आपण ज्या खेळतो. तुम्ही कबड्डी कॉम्पिटिशन्स खेळता अँड डिफरंट टाईप्स ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन्स तुम्हाला खूप आवडतात, ज्या तुम्ही ग्रुपनी प्ले करता. मग अगदी क्रिकेटपासून ते बास्केटबॉलपर्यंत, फुटबॉलपर्यंत, डॉजबॉलपर्यंत तुम्ही सगळे ग्रुपनी प्ले खेळता. येस, yes it is. That is also teamwork, my dear students. They have just given us example of a battle, relay race, and also what it is, basketball. They have given us the examples. Then let's see last paragraph. We are the parts that make up the whole. Yes, आपण एक छोटे छोटे पार्ट आहोत, आपण एक छोटा भाग आहोत, ज्या छोट्या छोट्या भागांनी एक मोठं काहीतरी बनतं. बरोबर? येस इट इज. Our school is made up of a little and small parts, just like you and me. We all are a part of Arya Public School, but still it is a part. We all are doing that work with a teamwork. That team is working and then it happens. Okay? We are the parts that make up the whole. We are parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. आणि आपल्या सगळ्यांचे डोळे, आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या नजरा एका कॉमन गोलवर आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्या सगळ्यांचं ध्येय एकच आहे. बरोबर? येस. समटाइम्स इट कॅन बी बिग प्लस when you or a me becomes an us. Yes, sometimes it can be big plus. काही वेळा हे खूप मोठं आणि खूप मोठं ध्येय होऊ शकतं. ही खूप मोठी गोष्ट होऊ शकते. कधी होऊ शकते? एखादं मोठं काम, खूप मोठं काम कधी होतं माहिती? जेव्हा तुम्ही आणि मी आपण होतो, म्हणजे आपण टीमवर्क करतो. सी, with a single finger we cannot do anything, but with a bunch of finger, with whole our hand, we can do many things. Yes it is. Just like a teamwork is the quality that we have to do all with each other, and it will become just like a big something, just like that. Yes it is, my dear students. We all Indians are fighting with the coronavirus. Yes, we all are together, but still we all are in our home. We are maintaining the social distance. But if single of us do a little bit of a mistakes, it becomes really very worse for all of us. Yes it is, my dear students. Just like this teamwork works. जेव्हा आपण टीममध्ये काम करतो त्यावेळी आपण एकत्र काम करून खूप काहीतरी मोठं अचीव करू शकतो. पण या टीममधला एखादा जरी पार्ट हलका झाला किंवा एखादा जरी पार्ट सटकला ना, तर ते टीमवर्क नाही राहत. बरोबर? येस इट इज, माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स. I just wish that we all have to work with each other, and we all will work with each other after this corona area, and after corona we will do all that things. But nowadays we all are also working in a teamwork. We all are working in a teamwork to fight with the corona. We all are in our homes and we all are learning with corona. Yes it is, my dear students. We have to fight with the corona with the teamwork. And that poem is really very important in this period for all of us. So my dear students, I hope you understand the poem, and I request you, all of you, that you all have to do something with your team. Yes it is. You have to make a team with yourself, with your mama, with your father, mother, whatever it may be. And you have to do a small work, and you have to tell me that which work you have done. Yes it is, my dear student. And also you have to write the question of this above answers. Yes it is. And in this, my dear students, Okay, my dear students, I hope you all like that poem and you all love this poem and you all love to work in the teamwork, but you have to write the questions below this poem and it is your homework and you have to write it. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, my dear students. And also, you have to do one thing, one work with the team. Just make a team with your family and you have to do something else. Okay? Thank you for watching and please do your homework. If you are not going to do your homework, then I am not going to teach you next chapters. Yes, it is, my dear students. All the best for your homework. Thank you so much.